Today I'm going to show you how to restore your Zelcore as well as Raptoreum Core Wallet. Welcome everyone, Rabid here, and today I'm going to show you how to restore your Raptoreum Core Wallet as well as your Zelcore wallet, because a lot of people are unsure how you actually restore them. There's a few steps you do have to do before you can restore your wallet. So do these before anything happens, or you will lose your wallet and potentially not be able to restore it. There may be other ways to do it, but I did recently just reinstall Windows today, so I had to do this process, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, as well as get that bell notification rolling to be notified for future videos from Rabid Mining. Okay, so we're going to start here with Zelcore first, and the first thing you do have to do, so you're going to go into here. I'm assuming you already have it all installed, ready to roll. You have payments and stuff received. That way it does create your balance folders and files that you do need. So we're going to go into our actual PC and look for our C drive. Then we're going to go into our users. Now we're going to go into Rabid Mining, whatever your user is, not public, but what you actually named your PC. And here you will find your Zelcore folder. Double click that. Here you can see this is where your account's JSON file is. It has your balances and everything under the username where you created your account inside the application itself, Zelcore. So you're going to go back. You're going to want to right click this. And you're going to have to copy it. This is where everything is saved. Your password, balances, everything. So you're going to copy that, put that in a different file. I prefer using possibly a USB drive or something. Label it wallets or something. I do have a separate drive here. That way it makes when I reinstall Windows easier. All I have on my C drive is like my main drivers, chipsets, and whatnot. And all my programs and everything are on a separate drive. That makes reinstalling Windows once a month for me that much easier, and it keeps your computer running nice and fast. Now, everyone does it for different reasons, but again, I just recently did it. So you're going to copy that file. I already have it pasted here. I just got to find, go down. Here's my wallets. Here you can see Zelcore, new backup. Right there, and here it is, the Zelcore Rabid folder. So this is the one I did need. I already have a copy, and this is the Zelcore folder, exact same one. So in order to restore it, so say you just did the install like I did, you reinstall Zelcore right off the bat. You copy this either off your USB flash drive or your other drive, what we just did, and just do opposite of what I just told you. You're going to come back in here. You're going to go to your users, into Rabid Mining, into Zelcore, and you're just going to paste all these files into that Zelcore folder, and it's going to overwrite it. You're going to say yes, and that's it. You just plug in your username and password, and your wallet is all restored, ready to roll. Next up, we're going to look into our Raptoreum Core Wallet. Now, it's pretty much exact same principle here. Now, I do have it saved in my F drive under wallets. This is where I keep this all the time, as well as you can see I have Scala, Veriscoin, Rio, whatever. All my wallets are under wallets here, and I also have everything on a USB drive as another backup. So in case something happens to these, then I can just copy it on. So I copied this complete Raptoreum folder here. It has everything. Right here, I copied that, and I put that into RTM backup, which is right here in case I do run into any issues. Now, when you first install the Raptoreum blockchain, it's going to ask you what file you want to actually do it. Now, I cannot show you that part of here because I already restored mine, so that will not come up. But it'll ask you the directory to save all your core stuff and everything. So you just pretty much take your backup, paste it into, like, say, right here, and then you're going to put the directory to this directory right here, the main one right here, and it'll detect that you have a wallet there already. So then once you do that, it says you already have a wallet. It'll detect it. You hit OK, and then it'll update the blockchain from where your current last save was based on all these files here. So everything with these, with wallets that do have the DAT files in them and not your actual seed phrases and everything, you do have to back these ones up 100% onto a flash drive or a different drive like I have here in order to do this. So you do have to do this stuff first. If you do not do this and something happens to your PC or whatever you're using, and you have to reinstall Windows, or you have to use a different computer or something, you will not be able to back it up unless you already save these complete file folders here. So this whole folder, the whole Raptoreum folder here, just copy the whole thing, paste on a USB drive or something. That way you have it, and then when you go to reinstall Windows, you try to get a new hard drive or something, paste this in there, point the directory when you do run it to this and you're set to go. It will detect it, like I said, and all good. All right, guys, so that was just a quick little video on how to restore those 2 specific wallets. Now, if there's another way and you guys do something else or something, let me know in the comments. You can encrypt these. There are different versions of encrypting these and saving that and getting seed phrases and whatnot, but I like to save the complete wallet like I just showed you here. That way I do have everything on a USB drive or something I can take somewhere else if I need be, or, you know, if your house catches on fire, you can just grab the USB drive and then, you know, get out of there and whatever happens, right? But this is the way I did it. It worked 100%. I had no issues whatsoever. But again, if you have a different way, let me know in the comments. I'd like to see how you guys do bring back your previous wallets with Zelcore or Raptoreum, unlike the other ones with the seed phrases. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that thumbs up button. Keep that bell notification rolling, and I'll catch you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, as well as check out one of these other videos if you have not seen it yet. I do try to stream every Saturday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more future content.